Yo, what's going on, everybody? Lewis of the Way It Kicks channel, and you can tell by the thumbnail that, yeah, we're gonna be doing a 4-piece quick review here on some sneakers that I actually copped in 2024. Just wasn't able to actually do the review due to when I actually ended up getting the shoes, and you know how life can get to you sometimes. Today is January 31st at the time that I'm making this video. It will be officially the last video I drop here in 2024, guys. And as we head into a new year, I want to wish you guys a happy new year. Be safe, make smart decisions going into it, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, let's go ahead and kick this off with first box here. Yes, sir, you see that Jumpman there on the lid. Label reads Women's Air Jordan Retro 12. Air Jordan 12 Retro, size 13 and a half. Yes, this is a women's shoe that came in extended sizing. Let's go ahead and pop these open. First thing you get is this brown tissue paper in here, and let's go ahead and take a quick look at the shoes. And it does, here they go, guys. These are the Jordan 12 Wmns Phantoms that came in extended sizing. And let me tell you something, I always thought this was a super clean looking shoe. I kept looking at them, and was finally able to go ahead and get them in hand, but they came via as a gift from somebody. So someone actually picked these up for me at a major discount. So shout out to my guy for being able to do that. With these here, super clean leather all the way around. I mean, the materials are absolutely beautiful on the shoe. And the crazy thing is they are going for under retail in a lot of places. And I know how some of y'all feel about having all white sneakers. This is more of a, you know, all sale with gold trim around the shoe in itself. You know what I mean? You see that black and gold carbon fiber there on the bottom, but man, so nice. And that iconic 2-3 on the back, and you got Jordan actually imprinted in there, and it's even the Jumpman's imprinted there on the pull tab as well. These are really clean, really simple, beautiful shoe. Great springtime sneaker, if I have to say myself. But let's go ahead and move on to what's next. All right, so take a look at what's in this box here. It's all black with that glossy Nike and swoosh on it, guys. Label reads Nike Dunk High Retro PRN Black Pollen White, size 12. I'm gonna go ahead and take these out. Some of you may already know what these are, but I got these on GOAT after selling some sneakers, and yeah, you can see what we're gonna be talking about here. These are the Wu-Tang Dunks, and super happy to have this little piece of history here in the collection, guys. I love that embroidered Wu-Tang symbol there. I grew up listening to Wu-Tang Clan, and man, just to go ahead and be able to add these to the collection. Now, granted, they're not necessarily that much different from, you know, the Pollen High Dunks, except for the fact that they got the Wu-Tang hints in there. But you know what? Sometimes it's the little things that set stuff apart, and I really like the way these came out. They gave them some really nice leather quality all around the shoe here. That black is very tumbled, and so is that yellow as well. Now, we didn't get an extra set of laces, nor did we get any special kind of packaging, you know what I mean? Just the regular black pull-out box, you know what I'm saying, with Nike and the swoosh there in gloss. You know, nothing too crazy about the box whatsoever. Although there were those friends and family pairs that gave them that wooden honeycomb box that had some honey in it. Not saying I necessarily needed that, but you know, you could have hit us with like a Wu-Tang symbol or something on the box, you know what I mean? Or gave us some, you know, tissue paper or something, because it's just regular white tissue paper that they gave us. But you know what, it is what it is. Like I said, super happy to have them. Wasn't able to cop them for retail, and I didn't pay much of a resale to get them. But next up, here goes one of my favorites that unfortunately, when you order shipped to me from JD Sport Finish Line, shipping can take quite a while. But in any case, Air Jordan 4 Retro, black, white, anthracite black, size 12. And yes, I copped these from Finish Line. you know, they took a while to come in, and you know, by that time there were other shoes coming out, so I just didn't find the time really to do a review on them. So obviously when you open the lid, you have the tissue paper on here, right? That says that, you know, I'm afraid of what I won't become and you're afraid of what I could become on there. And here we go. Now, each shoe comes individually wrapped, and here you go, guys. Jordan 4 Fear. This is probably one of my favorite 4s that released this year, and you know, I was debating whether or not I was gonna put these on my top 10 list over the military blue 4s, and there's probably a couple other shoes I could have had on my list, but I actually, believe it or not, forgot that they released in 2024, one of them being the big money saving SB Dunks. For some reason I thought it was a 2023 shoe, and listen, there's so many shoes that come out, it's easy to forget when stuff released here and there. But in any case, man, these Fear 4s, I love the way they came out. So much so that I got rid of my wet cement 4s and my white Thunders because I felt as though these were the best of both worlds and just a better overall shoe in itself, guys. And I love the black and the gray and the white, and then the splattered white there on the black midsole, guys. And here on the outsole, you see you got that white and black as well. And they gave you this, you know, cardboard covering here because the material on the tongue, this leather, actually, you know, it doesn't look like much, but the reason why they do that is so it doesn't get all scratched up, because this is a pretty fine material that they put on there, you know what I mean? So I would definitely recommend, you know, trying to protect these as best as possible. Obviously, you gotta wear your shoes, right? I mean, nothing's gonna be 100% foolproof, but that's why it's also important to make sure you hit that link down there in the description and get yourself some Rejuvenator products for some of these sneakers as well. Definitely need that. But moving on here, let me go ahead and take a look at the right shoe. There's nothing necessarily different from it, you know, just kind of showing you the quality of the sneakers. And yeah, these came out really nice, man. Love that white Jumpman there on the back. I was never actually able to own any of the original Fear sneakers, so I'm super happy that they brought these out. Hopefully they hit us with the Fear 5s, but it has not officially been confirmed. And one nice little feature that I definitely like is look inside that air unit there. It's actually red on the inside, guys. Hopefully that's the light's hitting that just the right way that you can see that, but that's a nice little touch in there. But man, I love the way these came out. So moving on now to the last shoe that I wanted to show you guys, and I was crazily surprised that I was able to go ahead and get these. And you see the box, you probably already know what's inside of here. Label reads Air Jordan 1 Low, OGSP medium olive, black sail muslin. Yes, sir, these are the Travis Scotts. And now I did show these as being part of my top 10 sneakers for 2024. And when you go ahead and pop the lid there, you do get the Travis Scott pink tissue paper. You know, it's got the Sicko face on there, Nike, the Wings logo, Cactus Jack, all that good stuff. You are met with some more white paper, but here go the shoes themselves. Now, these are the inverse to the women's olives that came out last year, which coincidentally, this was supposed to be the last Jordan 1 Low we got, and then they proceeded to hit us with those canaries, medium olives, you know what I'm saying? They're coming out with those frags. We got those velvet browns, and there are a bunch of other colorways they're supposed to hit us with too, but they're canceled based on what we know right now. But in any case, man, the hit on these during GOAT Black Friday, I was super stoked for it, you know what I'm saying? Like I didn't expect to hit anything, and then when I saw that I actually hit on these, I was just like, man, I couldn't believe it, you know what I'm saying? So people can actually win from GOAT Black Friday, you know. It does come with an extra set of the Hype Beast pink laces in here, as you can see. And there's a set of black laces that come with the shoes as well. I'm not exactly sure what color I'm going to use, but here's a look at the right shoe itself. This has the Wings logo here on the back versus there's the sicko face there on the back of the left shoe. But man, I really like these. Super happy I was able to get these in the collection, man. Let me know what you think about any of the shoes that I showed here. Last video of 2024. Super excited for what 2025 is going to bring, not only myself, but all of you as well. Please smash that like button for me. And if you are new to my channel, appreciate you tapping in. Hit that subscriber button and click that notification bell so you can be notified every time I drop these videos. And make sure to check me and the crew out this Saturday for the first episode of 2025, the One Pair at a Time podcast channel, guys. Have those notification bells clicked on so you know when we go live, but we always do it 9 a.m. Eastern, 6 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. In any case, this is Lewis of the Warrior Kicks channel reminding you to be true, stay in a moment, and don't forget, every day is a great day to wear your kicks. And happy 2025. Peace.